students, welcome you all in English lecture. So students, today we are going to study one new topic, that is here. In last year we have studied this topic. Do you remember this topic, parts of speech? Okay. So come on, tell me how many parts of speech are there? Very good. Yes, very good. There are 8 parts of speech. Which are they? Adjective, conjunction, noun, pronoun, adverb, interjection, preposition and verb. Once more, say along with me. How many parts of speech are there? 8. 8 parts of speech. And which are there? Use adverbs, conjunction, interjections, nouns, prepositions, pronouns and verbs. Very good. So total 8 parts of speech are there. And today in this lecture we'll learn one by one. With the noun. Noun is a thing, name of a thing or a person. For examples, pencil, cat, work, notebook. These are the examples of noun because they are the names of things or persons. Sentences, examples are given. This is my cat. So what is noun here? Cat, because it is the name of a animal. They live in Madrid. Madrid is the name of a place. So it is known as a noun. So noun means what? What is the function of noun? It is the name of thing or a person. Verb. What is the function of verb? Verb is an action. Examples: get, come, cut, open, like, etc. etc. These are the examples of verb. I like apple. So here like is a verb because it's an action. Come in please. So come in. So this is an action. That's why it's known as a verb. Adverb. Adverb means what? Adverb's function is, adverb describes a verb, adjective or adverb. For example, silently, badly, really. These are the examples of adverb. The sentences you can see here. My cat eats quickly. So cat is a noun because it is a name of an animal. Eat is an action. That's why it's known as a verb. Whereas quickly is known as adverb because it describes a verb. And what is verb here? Eats. Adjective. Adjective means adjective describes a noun. Adjective tells us more about noun. For example, small, big, good, well, blue. These are the examples of adjective. Sentences are given. We like big cake. So, like is a verb. Big is a adjective because cake is a noun. It is a name of a thing. And which cake we like? Big cake. Big. It tells more about noun. I have 3 pencils. So pencil is a noun because it is a name of something. Whereas 3 is an adjective because how many pencils does I have? 3 pencils. 3 is an adjective. Next, pronoun. The most easiest. Pronouns replace a noun. Pronoun means what? Which is used in the place of noun. I, you, he, she, it are the examples of pronoun. He is very clever. So here instead of noun I had used pronoun. For example, if I say Ram is very clever, so Ram is a noun. But in spite of Ram, in spite of noun, I had used he. He is nothing but pronoun. So he replaces a noun. Pronoun replaces a noun. Preposition. Now what is the function of preposition? Preposition links a noun to another word. For examples, at, in, of, on, after, under, below, above, at. to, these all are preposition. She was hiding under the table. Now what is preposition here? Preposition means it tells the relationship between noun and pronoun. So where she was hiding? Under the table. So under is a preposition because it links a noun to another word. Conjunction. Conjunction means it joins two words or two sentences. Conjunctions are joining words. And, but, while, when, because. These are examples of conjunctions. Where sentences are given. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. So, I am very hungry, but the fridge is very empty. These two sentences are joined by the conjunction. And what is conjunction here? But. But is the joining word. It is known as conjunction. Next, last, interjection. Interjection means short exclamation or sudden express feeling, sudden emotion, strong emotion. Oh, hi, ouch, wow. These all are the expressions, short exclamations and examples of interjection. Wow, what a beautiful car. So what is the expression here? Wow. So wow is known as interjection. Always keep in mind the interjection always end with exclamation mark. Understood, students? Understood the parts of speech? Examples of parts of speech. Noun. So noun examples are given here. Pen, house, book, teacher, students, daughter, thief, Mary, etc. These all are the names of some persons, place or thing. So these are the examples of noun. Let's see the example of verb. You all know verb is an action word, right? So the examples are study, think, prepare, realize, believe, look, see and etc. These are the action. And action is nothing but known as a verb. So these all are the examples of verb. Now let's proceed to the preposition. Preposition means what? Yes, preposition shows the place, time, direction in a sentence. It shows the relation between noun and pronoun. So these are the examples of preposition: at, in, on, from, above, below, under, beside, of. These all are the examples of preposition. Next, pronoun. Pronoun means what? Yes, pronoun replaces the noun. Pronoun is used in place of noun. Or in simple words, pronouns replace the name of person, place, thing or idea. It means pronoun is used in place of noun. Instead of noun, pronoun is used. So examples are these, that, he, she, it, we, they, you, him, her, etc. These all are the examples of pronoun. Adverb. Adverb means what? It tells more about verb. Or an adverb tells how, often, how, when, where. It can describe a verb, an adjective or an adverb. So these are the examples given here of adverb: frequently, sometimes, early, seldom, soon, etc. These are the examples of adverb. Next, adjective. Adjective already we have studied in previous lectures. Adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Example: tall, thin, red, beautiful. Rose is a beautiful flower. So rose is a noun because it is a name of a flower. But beautiful is adjective because it tells something about the noun. How is rose? Rose is a beautiful flower. Ugly, sweet, handsome, etc. These are the examples of adjective. Next, conjunction. Conjunction means what? It is a joining words. Conjunction join words or groups of words in a sentence. Conjunction is also known as joining words. Examples of conjunction are so, until, and, because, yet, therefore, since, or, but, etc. These are the examples of conjunction. Conjunction means joining words. Conjunction join two words or two sentences. For example, Ram and Shyam are playing in the garden. So Ram and Shyam, these both are noun. These both are different person. What is the conjunction word there? And. So Ram and Shyam means the conjunction word join two words or two sentences. Next is interjection. Interjection means you all know. Interjections express strong emotion and are often followed by an exclamation point. Always interjection ends with the exclamation mark. For example, hooray, yay, oops, bravo, well, wow, bravo. These all are the examples of interjection and it ends with exclamation mark. So dear students, I hope so you have understood these parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? 8. Now I am sending you all this definition along with the example through WhatsApp. Kindly note down these all 8 parts of speech in your English notebook itself. Clear? We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.